Scientists just made a major breakthrough in weight loss science. They figured out how to make mitochondria burn more calories. But what they found in the history books should give everyone pause. The concept is called mitochondrial uncoupling. Here is how it works. Normally, your mitochondria convert food into ATP, the energy currency your cells run on. But when uncoupling happens, instead of storing that energy as ATP, your mitochondria release it as heat. The result? More calories burned, less fat stored, faster metabolism. Researchers are now racing to develop drugs that trigger this effect artificially. The potential for weight loss is extraordinary, but here is the dark history they are glossing over. The first mitochondrial uncoupling compound was called DNP. It was used in munitions factories in World War I. Workers who were exposed to it lost weight rapidly, but many developed dangerously high fevers and died. In the 1930s, it was briefly marketed as a weight loss drug. It was remarkably effective. It was also lethal. The gap between a working dose and a fatal dose was dangerously small. It was eventually banned. Today's researchers believe they can engineer safer versions, and the early science is genuinely exciting. But we are talking about experimental compounds, still in early stage research, not something available to the average person, and not something without risk. The pattern of the wellness industry rushing experimental interventions to market before the safety data is in should sound familiar by now. Here is what gets buried in all the headlines. Your mitochondria already have a natural uncoupling ability built into your biology. It is called adaptive thermogenesis. Your cells were designed to regulate how much energy they burn versus store. The problem is that when mitochondria decline, which they do up to 10% every decade after age 30, that natural ability weakens. Your metabolism slows. Fat storage increases. Energy crashes. The engine is still there. It is just not getting the fuel it needs. So, instead of waiting for a drug that may never be safe enough to reach the market, what if you supported the mitochondria you already have? What if you gave your cells the specific compounds they need to function efficiently so your natural fat-burning and energy systems can do their job? Scientists have spent decades identifying natural compounds that support mitochondrial function at the cellular level. They found 6 that work together to help your cells produce and burn energy more efficiently without needles, without drugs, and without dangerous dose calculations. Maqui berry is one of the most antioxidant-rich compounds in nature. It protects mitochondria from the oxidative stress that degrades their efficiency over time. Rhodiola rosea is a powerful adaptogen that supports sustained cellular energy production and helps your body manage the stress that wears mitochondria down. Theobroma cacao supports healthy circulation, so nutrients reach your cells efficiently and fuel delivery stays strong. Hematococcus delivers astaxanthin, a compound that crosses the blood-brain barrier to support brain energy and mental clarity. Amla supports cellular detoxification so your mitochondria can run clean and efficiently without being slowed down by accumulated cellular waste. Schisandra builds resilience against physical and mental stress at the cellular level. Together, these 6 compounds give your mitochondria what they need to function the way they were designed. I want to be transparent with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. If you choose to try this product, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only recommend products I genuinely believe can help. The product is called Mitolyn. It combines all 6 compounds in one formula designed to support mitochondrial function. No experimental drugs, no dangerous dose calculations, no waiting for science to catch up with safety, just cellular support that works with your biology the way nature intended. You do not need a drug to support your mitochondria. You need to stop letting them decline. Give your cells the fuel they need to burn energy efficiently again. Support your natural fat-burning ability at the cellular level. Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. 3 full months to feel the difference in your energy, your metabolism, and your mental clarity. If it does not work for you, full refund, no questions asked. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. If you are tired of waiting for a safe weight loss drug that may never arrive, click the link in the description. Support your mitochondria now, the natural way. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.